Is it legal to track someone's cell phone without their consent?
Hello there. Today we'll be addressing a quite significant question regarding personal privacy and technology. Is it legal to track someone's cell phone without their consent? As this is a sensitive issue, it's important to understand the context, legal ramifications, and ethical considerations surrounding it.
What does the law say?
In most jurisdictions, it's illegal to track someone's cell phone without their explicit consent. These laws are usually part of broader privacy and anti-stalking legislation. Privacy is generally considered a fundamental right, and many countries have robust laws in place to protect individuals' privacy. In the United States, for example, the Fourth Amendment provides a right to privacy, and this has been interpreted by courts to include a right to privacy in one's physical movements, which would be violated by unauthorized GPS tracking.
Are there any exceptions?
There are, however, some exceptions to this rule. For example, law enforcement agencies may be able to track a cell phone under specific circumstances, such as when they have a warrant or in certain emergency situations. This varies significantly by jurisdiction, and the specifics are often complex and subject to change based on court decisions. Also, employers may sometimes be allowed to track company-owned cell phones used by their employees, although they typically must inform the employee about the tracking. Parents may also be able to track the phones of their minor children without explicit consent, depending on the laws in their jurisdiction.
What about ethical considerations?
Beyond the legal aspects, there are also significant ethical considerations. Tracking someone's movements without their consent could be seen as a breach of trust and an invasion of privacy. Even if it's technically legal under certain circumstances, it may still be ethically questionable. So, to wrap things up, tracking someone's cell phone without their consent is generally illegal. There are certain exceptions for law enforcement, employers, and parents, but even then, ethical considerations should not be ignored. As always, if you're considering tracking someone's phone for any reason, it's advisable to seek legal counsel to ensure you're in compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this video has been helpful.